productivity is highly tied to value, efficiency is tied to waste. To be productive means that you're doing the right thing with as little waste as possible. Sometimes you might actually be productive with waste. This might be common in more creative fields where people need to get away, they need time, they need distraction-free time to go be creative on a project or come up with a new proposal or something like that. And there's a sense in which that time might be relatively wasteful in the sense that they might come up with 25 bad ideas before they finally kind of stumble on the thing that works, but they needed that iteration to make it work. Well, you could argue that that's unproductive, but it's not unproductive if that pitch, if that idea is ultimately what wins you a $200,000 client. Efficiency means that you're doing something with relatively little waste. But the reality is that you could actually be doing the wrong thing. So for example, I might be able to run level 12 by efficiently checking my email once a minute. And that would entail maybe even setting up, some type of automation to check that, which I have. This is my email client. I mean, this is how it works, right? But if I spent, as one of the leaders of level 12, if I spent my entire day just seeing if I got new email, we know that that would not be very productive for level 12 as a company. That's not where the bulk of the value that I bring level 12 comes from.